You know that feeling when you sit down to write and your brain goes completely blank? Or worse, your ideas are all over the place and you have no idea where to start. Look, I totally get it. But what if I told you there's a tool that can turn that chaos into clarity and help you create viral-worthy content with ease? That's where ChatGPT's Canvas comes in. Stick around because at the end of this video, I'll show you the perfect prompt and an example to jumpstart your next masterpiece. Let's dive in. All right, first things first. What is Canvas and why should you care? Canvas is like having a creative playground where you and ChatGPT can collaborate in real time. Think of it as your digital whiteboard, but way smarter. You can plan, draft, edit, and refine all your ideas all in one place, making it the ultimate tool for creating content that connects. So why Canvas and why not just a long ChatGPT thread? Here's the thing. Chat threads can become unwieldy really quickly, making it hard to track ideas, organize structure, or revisit your progress. Canvas, on the other hand, gives you a clear visual workspace where you can see the big picture and the finer details all at once. Plus, it's built for iteration, so you can refine your work without losing track of your earlier edits. Now, before you even open Canvas, you need to ask yourself, what am I trying to achieve with this content? Is it educating your audience, building authority, driving leads? Let's take an example. Say you want to write a blog post about how AI is transforming small businesses. Great topic, right? But what's the goal? Are you trying to showcase your expertise? Sell an AI tool? Both? Clarity here will guide everything else. Pro tip, write your goal at the top of your canvas. This keeps you laser focused. Before we move on, I'm super excited to share something with you. We're about to launch a brand new prompt engineering tool that makes working with AI easier and more effective than ever before. It's designed to help you craft the perfect prompts to get the most out of tools like ChatGPT, whether you're writing a white paper, a blog post, or even planning a business strategy. If you want early access to test this game-changing tool, just comment magic below and we'll add you to the exclusive beta group. Okay, here's where the magic happens. Once your canvas is set up, we'll use what I like to call the sequential input approach. Instead of dumping everything into ChatGPT at once, we're going to break it down step by step. Now, type in open canvas in a new thread to get things started and give ChatGPT a clear and specific prompt. For example, begin with the introduction. Write an engaging and professional introduction for a white paper titled The Future Trends in Remote Work that highlights the key challenges and opportunities for businesses. This sets the stage for your white paper. Next, review ChatGPT's output and refine it as needed. If it's too generic, like collaboration tools are important, ask ChatGPT to expand with specific examples like Slack, Zoom, or Trello, and tweak it to align with your unique insights. Now let's outline the rest of the white paper. Add a new prompt for ChatGPT. List the key focus areas for a white paper on remote work trends. You'll likely get something like an introduction, the evolution of remote work, maybe the future trends shaping remote work, or challenges in remote work and how technology solves them. Examples of collaboration and tools driving success. Maybe how to choose the right tools for your businesses, or case studies of startups using tools effectively. And at the end, there'll likely be a conclusion, a roadmap for thriving in remote work. Now that we have the framework, work through each section step by step, prompting ChatGPT one section at a time. This is key because ChatGPT can get overloaded and then provide less optimal content. If you break it into pieces, the value of your content will skyrocket. For example, for the future trends in shaping remote work, ask ChatGPT, write a section on future trends shaping remote work, including hybrid models, AI, and global collaboration. Give one current business example in this section to help illustrate the point. Another example would be for case studies. Provide an example of a startup successfully using collaboration software like Zoom to improve team productivity. Give details of how they're using the software and an estimated increase in productivity. If possible, tie the example to an ROI with a formula showing how you came to those conclusions. Here's another advanced tip. If you've found a study that has stats that you like, you can upload or paste those studies into ChatGPT. Ask it to incorporate the concepts and stats into your white paper. For instance, use the data in this study to enhance the section on benefits of collaboration tools. ChatGPT will seamlessly integrate those insights, saving you tons of time. This ensures your work is data-driven and credible. Once you've filled in all the sections, it's time to refine and add stats, case studies, and visuals to enhance credibility. Formatting is key too. Use subheadings, bullet points, and visuals to keep your content skimmable and engaging for readers. Canvas makes this easy by letting you see your structure clearly. Once your blog post is ready, publish it. But the journey doesn't stop there. Track its performance. Are people engaging with the blog? Are they sharing your white paper? Use this feedback to make your next piece even better. And guess what? You can always revisit Canvas and tweak it based on what's working. It's a living document. All right, let's recap the sequential input approach and optimal prompt. Here it is all in one place. Imagine you're creating a white paper titled The Future Trends in Remote Work, Technology and Collaboration for Success. Here's how we'll tackle it. Start by adding your goal at the top of Canvas. For instance, establish thought leadership in remote work while showcasing how collaboration software can transform team efficiency and productivity. Prompt ChatGPT for the introduction. For example, write an engaging and professional introduction for a white paper titled Future Trends in Remote Work that highlights key challenges and opportunities for businesses. Then, build your outline by asking ChatGPT, list the key focus areas for a white paper on remote work trends, and then add these to your canvas. Work through each section one by one using prompts for specific content, trends, tools, case studies, and the conclusion. Then refine the output by adding specific data, real-world examples, and actionable insights. If you have a study with valuable stats, ask ChatGPT to integrate those seamlessly into your content. Finally, format and polish the document to make it professional and engaging. So there you have it, your perfect step-by-step guide to optimizing Canvas. Train the AI with clear instructions and you'll create professional-grade content like white papers, blog posts, articles, or video scripts in no time. Canvas isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for business leaders who want to create impactful content without becoming overwhelmed. If you found this helpful, like this video and comment prompts below, and I'll share a resource where I can get you even more prompts and advice on optimizing AI. Now it's your turn. Open Canvas, set your goal, and start creating. Who knows, your next piece might even go viral.